ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ohun tí obìnrin tó wà lókè yìí sọ.
Good day, Nigerians. I think this period now, my life is being threatened. Everybody around me now, they are police people are carrying them, investigating them because of the video I made about this book. And why I did this video is because, see, I have 2 kids. This is my first son. I read something from this book that did not sit well with me, and I came out to the public to share my opinion. Because in my head, I was like, if I leave these 2 and to go get something from the other street and something happened to, and this one did something, I wouldn't know where the thing is coming from. I will read it again. I will read that passage that made me came online. Because now they are threatening me. They are threatening my family. Everybody that is close to me, they are picking them up one by one and asking them questions. This book, look at what I read that made me came online. Once upon a time, there was an old man who had a very fat dog. The dog and the old man loved each other. One day, the old man kept a big meat near the fireplace and asked the dog to look after it. But the dog slept off, and a thief came to steal the meat. This made the old man sad, and then think he must punish the dog. The next day, he put an iron in the fire, and when it is very hot, he went to where the dog was asleep again and put it inside the nose of the dog. The pain made the dog run mad and ran away from home. This passage was what made me came online and asked, as a first-time mom, that my children are my priority. And I read this, and I came online to ask a question, that is this the book that they are reading now? I only asked a question if it is the book that they are reading now, and if it doesn't sit well with me. And now they called me when that thing went viral. They called me to take down the post. The lawyer in charge, I don't know them, because many people were calling and threatening me. But the first person that called me he said he's a lawyer. I've forgotten what his name is. He said I should take down the post. And I said, I'm taking down the post because I don't want issue. I'm not doing this thing for trend. I'm not doing it for content. I just want to ask a question because information have been passed through internet. I just want to ask a question. If that is what children of 5 years, they must be 2 child, is reading now. I went to school. I did not read this kind of thing.
Wẹ́ fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọn ò gbọ́ èdè òyìnbó dáadáa. So wọ́n ní obìnrin ní ọkùnrin kan arúgbó ni nígbà kan. Ó ní ajá kan tó tóbi. So àwọn àtajá yìí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn púpọ̀. So ó ní ẹran ńlá kan bí ẹran jíjẹ. So wá sọ fún ajá yẹn pé tó kó máa bá òun wo ẹran yìí o. So ajá wá sùn lọ. Bàtájá fẹ́ fi jí, olè ti jí ẹran tí ó yẹ kó máa ṣọ́ lọ. So inú bí arúgbó yìí, ó wá ní àfi kóun fìyà jẹ. So nígbà tó di ọjọ́ kejì, ó wá mú irin, ó ti bọnú náà. Ìgbà tí irin ọ̀hún gbóná tán, ó wá mú irin ọ̀hún, ó wá ti bọ imú ajá náà débi pé ajá náà wá padà ya dìgbòlugi. So nǹkan tí ó sọ nínú ìwé tí ó sọ pé àwọn ọmọ tòun kà nílé ìwé nìyẹn, pé ọmọdélé lòun rí pé nǹkan tí ó wà nínú ìwé so kò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn. So òun dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn. So wá padà wá di wàhálà sí lọ́rùn débi pé àwọn agbẹjọ́rò, bóyá agbẹjọ́rò ẹni tó kọ̀wé tàbí agbẹjọ́rò àwọn tó nílé ìwé, wọ́n padà sọ fún pé wọ́n padà ní lára débi pé wọ́n fún ní ìwé pé kó wá yọjú sí ilé ẹjọ́. Okay, and in terms of diction, which is the use of language, from connotative meaning and denotative meaning. So connotative meaning that has to do with deeper meaning. So èèyàn máa fún ní second thought, literary meaning. So kò need nírú stage yẹn tá bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ pé a fẹ́ sọ pé okay o èèyàn máa fún ní multiple meaning. Stage yẹn kọ́. So stage yẹn language use ní stage yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ direct meaning, direct message, easy and straightforward. The message must be straightforward and simple. So àwọn tó bá fẹ́ try láti defend pé bóyá depending on the understanding, then we are not talking about the contextual meaning, that is the pragmatic meaning. So what they are dealing with there is purely semantic, not pragmatic. Context, not content. So content gangan ni wọ́n lò ní stage yẹn. Content ni ó wà ní stage yẹn. But tí wọ́n bá ti dé bóyá bí SS1, SS2, SS3, then wọ́n lè máa apply ìyẹn tẹ́ bá ti ń ka àwọn ìwé bí Wọlé Ṣóyínká, tẹ́ bá ti ń ka àwọn ìwé bí Bẹ̀kẹ́ Dẹ̀rẹ̀mọ̀, John Pepper Clark, ó ti yé ìsìn, then ẹ máa apply pragmatic meaning, that is deeper meaning. Ẹ máa fún ní máa study nípa àwọn literature, bóyá bí àwọn figures of speech, then all those things. So ẹ máa fún ní deeper meaning of what does this mean and something like that. So stage yẹn kì í ṣe contextual meaning, it is content. It is content. So that is what is necessary there. Ayé ń lọ à ń tọ̀. Ayé ń lọ à ń tọ̀. Tí a bá rántí ńgbà tí àwa kan tẹ́ pé a sì dàgbà dáhùn àyè kan nígbà tá wà ní kékeré, nírú ipò tí ọmọ kékeré tá ń sọ yìí wà. Àwọn ìwé táwa kà nígbà yẹn, ìwé tí kì í fi àyè gba kéèyàn fi ìyà jẹ ẹranko ni. Òun làwọn ìwé táwa kà ńgbà kan. Mọ àwọn ìwé tí D.F. Ọdúnjọ kọ, Ọ̀bẹ Bàbá Bọ́, ó ba Ife ọba. So a ó bá bàbá bẹ ọba, a ó bá bẹ̀ ẹ́, àbí kí la fẹ́ bá bàbá bẹ ọba fún? Nítorí pé ọ̀bẹ yẹn kò yẹ kó ba ọ̀bọ tí ọ̀bẹ sì bà, ó jẹ́ ọ̀bọ ọba. Ọba ni ọba ló ní ọ̀bọ lóòótọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ẹranko ni, kò yẹ ká lè fi ìyà jẹrú ẹranko bẹ́ẹ̀. And àwọn ẹjọ́ tí èèyàn lè rò fọ́mọdé láti lè jẹ́ kọ́mọdé mọ̀ pé ìwà ìkà ni ká fìyà jẹ ẹranko ní láyé yẹn nígbà D.F. Ọdúnjọ. Then a tún rántí, ó tún níwèé kan náà tí wọ́n tún kọ mẹ́rin náà pé àkùkọ mi èyí tí mo rà sóko tí kò tò, òjò sì pa, bàbá bá mi gbé gbígbé tí ó mo gbé, òtútù mú ara rẹ̀ yá, ó dáná sí bọ́mọdé òkú, àgbà ní dà. Máa fi sójú kínní. Àwọn nǹkan tá a kà nígbà yẹn nìyẹn, láti lè jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé tò nígbà tádìyẹ jábọ́ tí òjò pa, òtútù mú, then gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn ó mú, bí aláàánú ó mú, ó dẹ̀ tọ́jú ẹ̀ débi para rẹ̀ yá. So bọ́mọdé òkú àgbà, wọ́n padà apply ẹ̀ pé bọ́mọdé òkú àgbà ní dà. So nǹkan tán fi kọ́ wa nígbà yẹn nìyẹn, láti lè ní ìtọ́jú ẹranko nínú ọkàn, so ká ní àánú sí ẹranko. Nǹkan tó fi kọ́ wa nígbà yẹn nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n tiwáyé tí wá ń padà ń di nǹkan míì báyìí nísìn. I don't know, mi mọ ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin Ministry of Education, irú ìwé yẹn check ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé ó bá wà recommended, tó bá ṣe é lò nínú school, especially ní irú àwọn ipò yẹn. So tí ó bá jẹ́ pé kò bá ṣe é lò, recommend ẹ̀ fún school, then school yẹn wá rà, then that school has to be dealt with. It has to be dealt with. So ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀. Nínú òfin society tá a mọ̀ tàbí tá a ní, nínú òfin tá a mọ̀ tàbí tá a ní, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí àwọn aṣòfin, especially àwọn tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ tún tọ́jú ẹranko, tínú wọn ò dùn sí kéèyàn fi ìyà jẹ ẹranko, inú wọn ò dùn sí kéèyàn fi ìyà jẹ ẹranko. Ṣùgbọ́n ohun ìyàlẹ́nu ló jẹ́ pé nǹkan tá a fẹ́ gbọ́ náà ni nǹkan tá à ń gbọ́ là ń gbọ́ yìí. Pé tó bá na ẹran, tó bá gbà ń pa, tó bá so mọ́lẹ̀ tó fóúnjẹ fún, tó bá ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe, tí àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe fún ẹranko tí ò bá ṣe fún, ìjìyà wà fún ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn. Nǹkan tó fi ń sọ nìyẹn. Then irú ìwé tí èèyàn wá ń kọ fọmọdé láti lè máa pass across message tó mọ̀ pé ọmọ yẹn máa dàgbà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, ó wrong. So Ministry of Education, wọ́n ní láti ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ìwé yẹn, àtẹni tó kọ ànírú obìnrin yẹn. Èmi ò rò pé ìjìyà kankan yẹ kó wà fún, kò yẹ kí ìyà jẹ, torí pé nǹkan tó ń sọ nǹkan tó yẹ kó sọ ni. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.